Good
morning, sir.
Okay, how was your Diwali? Fine. How have celebrated Diwali? Yeah, Adarsh.
Yes, sir.
Adarsh, how was your Diwali?
It was good.
Good. Everybody. Okay. So what I taught in the last class, I have given some question, I think. Some questions I have given in the last class to solve that problem. And I think this is showing this. So you solved all the questions that I've given in the last class. These are the problems that I think I've given in the last class. Many questions. Question number 4, 5, 6. Okay. Special cases I have given the question. Is it visible now? This whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all good. And these are the questions I have given for the practice. So you have solved all these questions.
Yes, sir.
Any problem anybody has?
No, sir.
No
So,
issue.
what are the answers for those two questions?
Yes, sir.
Last two questions. Okay. Neha Reddy is asking now, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you may check this 2x plus y plus 1, 2x plus y plus 1 dx, and then 4x plus 2y minus 1 dy equal to 0. Okay, so let's say I'm saying this question. Its answer is the answer is 2 into 2x plus y, then plus log of 2x plus y minus 1, and then this is equal to 3x plus c. Have you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, x
Yes.
minus 2 dx minus 2x minus 2y minus 3 dy equal to 0. So your answer is log of x minus y minus 1. This is equal to x minus 2y plus c. Isn't it? This is a good question. Have you got this answer now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next I'm going to start the new topic, and that is okay, on the new sheet I'm going to that one. Come to that, and this is the method called the fourth method. Na? This is the fourth method, and we come to the linear differential equation, right? Linear differential equation. Exact and non-exact. After linear and non-linear, I will start linear differential equation. All right. So when we call the equation is linear differential equation, I might have gone through in that class 12th. What is the linear differential equation? Linear form of differential equation. Okay. Who want to say? Just raise your hand, please. Linear form of differential equation. Anyone? Anyone? No.
So the integrating factor, that one.
Integrating factor. No. Make it that integrating factor means what? It's a role of what is called this. It gives the solution. It makes to find the solution, right? Like in chemical, what we are using is a salt that make the reaction. What is called that chemical? Which accelerate the chemical to make the reaction. What is that?
Catalyst.
Catalyst.
Catalyst, right? So this integrating factor is like, just like a catalyst that make it to give the solution, and we can solve that differential equation, right? But like Bhavya,
Yes, sir. dy by dx plus y into any function of x is equal to function of x.
no, I'm asking what is the linear differential equation? What actually in definition? This is you are saying that this is the linear form of differential equation. My question is that when we call the equation is linear differential equation. Yeah, Kadam. I think she has. raised a hand before.
Sir, I have also the same answer. I guess dy by dx plus py plus q is equals to q, where p and y are the function of x.
Okay. Now this you are saying that this is the standard form of linear differential equation. This is the form of linear differential equation. Right?
So variable with power 1.
Power 1. Okay, now come to that place. Now see, when the dependent variable and its derivative, dependent variable means y and its derivative. Suppose equation dependent variable is y, then its and its derivative could not be multiplied and occur in the first degree, then it is called the linear differential equation. To write the definition, it is a very simple definition, and that should be, now see, when the dependent variable, I have said already in the class that I want to make the things should be clear, right? No need that there is no hurry that we have to complete each and everything as fast as possible, right? Everything should be clear so that when you face the problem, when you face the interview, there should not be a problem in that. Everybody is saying that differential equation linear dy by dx plus py equal to, this is the form of standard form, but I'm asking what actually the linear differential equation is. That is the important thing, right? So dependent, when the dependent variable and its derivative derivative occurs in the first order, first degree order, maybe anything, first degree only, and are not multiplied together is called a linear differential equation. Linear differential equations. So no product of y, that means what is that? That is no product of y and dy by dx, or x and is it possible dy by dx? Is it possible that we can multiply x dy by dx? Yeah, who will tell me? Is it possible to multiply x and dy by dx? I'm writing or x into x and dx by dy. Which is true for the definition of linear differential equation? This is true or this is true? Number 1 and number 2. Yeah, Adarsh Sharma, either you mute or give the answer. Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
Sir, number 2.
Number 2.
The second one.
Why?
Sir, because dy by dx will not be able to multiply or differentiate with the x.
Okay. So here for the linear differential equation, y and dy by dx will not be multiplied, or x and dx by dy will not be multiplied. Is it possible now? What I am saying in the linear form, here which is the dependent variable in this case? Which is the dependent variable? Which is the dependent variable?
X.
Nobody is saying.
X.
Yeah. X. Yeah, say, don't worry about that. X is
Correct.
dependent variable here because x we are multiplying with respect to,
Y.
differentiating with respect to y, so this is the independent variable and this is dependent variable. That means this x and dy by dx by dy, it could not be multiplied as the definition of linear differential equation, or y and dy by dx also we cannot multiply, then the equation will be differential equation. So that's why I'm writing here the alternative way, that no product of y and dy, or x and dx by dy. Yeah, both is correct now. What is correct? So I am writing some equation of differential equation. Just tell me which is the differential equation. D square y upon dx square plus y equal to 0. Second, dy by dx plus x plus y by x plus y by x equal to y square into log of x. Third, y into dy by dx minus x minus 4, and this is equal to x. Which is linear or which is not linear? Yeah. Which is linear? Who will tell me? Raise your hand.
Sir, second is not linear.
Second, who is saying?
Sir, Divij.
Divij. Mehak Singhal.
Sir, the third one is not linear.
Third one is not linear. Third one is not linear. This is. Second is linear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First is linear.
Yes.
Yes, by the definition of the linear differential equation, this is a linear equation, this is linear equation, and this is not linear equation. Anybody has doubt?
Sir,
So
but the dependent variable is of the degree 2, sir. Then how it should?
no issue, no issue. I am degree. Where is degree? This is order 2. This is order 2. This is degree 1. Degree is 1.
Okay, okay, sir.
Fine. So I'm writing a linear differential equation is always be the first order, first degree. Right now, anyone has a doubt in the linear differential equation? Anyone? And the first one is also called higher order linear differential equation, right? Hold D. What is this? I just want to ask Ishika Sanjeev Banet is there in the class?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, what is been second equation? First equation I've written here. Hold D. What is this? Hold D.
Higher order linear differential equation.
Great. Fine. Higher order linear differential equation. Thank you. So now come to the standard form of linear differential equation. The standard form of linear differential equation, right? Standard form of linear differential equation of first order. So first is dy by dx and then plus py, this is equal to q, where p and q are function of x, not y. Remember, I'm writing x function of x, not y. So it should be very clear. I'm writing this all notes in a very crisp way that it should be clear, and no, there is no doubt, no scope of doubt. So function of x, not y, or constant, right? Now remember everybody, I'm not saying it's a big word. I'm not using my big word, but my class notes, especially when the people are in the campus, the students are using other section of the students are also using my class notes, because the notes is very clear, so it should make you very crisp and clear. Even though that there's no need to go for the book, my notes is enough for that. The book is required only for the practice of the question. And the second is, or we can say that, or dx by dy. I'm just changing the variable dependent to independent. Dx by dy. Now here y become independent, then plus p dash y x. This will be p dash x, and this is equal to q dash, where p dash and q dash are function of y, not x, or constant. So this is the standard form of differential equation, linear form of linear first degree differential equation. So this is the, and the first degree also, it is first order and first degree. So linear differential equation is always the first degree. Standard form of linear differential equation, I'm using here as a word of first order, of first order. I'm using here of first order. So we will solve that question, because when I will not mention the first order, it might be the higher order linear differential equation. That is the second part of your differential equation. We'll solve when we complete this all differential equation, then we'll go for the higher order differential equation. So I'm using here a standard form of linear differential equation of first order, right? First order differential equation. Of course, the degree is first, and here the order is also first. So what is the way that we can solve this kind of the equation? We just give for the catalyst that integrating factor should be, we have to. So come to the solution procedure. Everybody know how to solve this kind of equation. So number one, I'm using the linear differential equation. If in the form of this dy by dx, and then plus py equal to q. I'm saying this equation 1, where p and q are the function of x only, or the constants. If it is in this form, then the equation will do what? We just multiply. Its integrating factor is what? What is the integrating factor? Then integrating factor is, second
e
is
to the power q dx.
E
E to the power integration of q dx.
So integrating factor is integrating factor. This will be equal to this ip, and this will be equal to e to power integration of p dx, right? So we multiply with, we'll get the answer. Then the solution is what? The solution will be like that: y into integrating factor, and then integrating factor. This is ip if, and this is equal to integration of, when q, then multiply with integrating factor into dx, and then plus c. This is the required solution. Solution of 1. Similarly, I'm just writing here the note. If x is dependent variable, and y is independent variable, the differential equation is, this is dx upon dy, then p1 P1 or P dash x equal to Q dash. This is equation number, say it is 2, where P dash and Q dash are the function of y only. It is already mentioned, P dash and Q dash are function of y only or constant. Then integrating factor if, this will be equal to e to power, what is that? E to power
P dash d integration
integration
of P dash dy.
P dash
P dash dy.
dy.
dy, right? And solution will be, solution is x into integrating factor, this is equal to integration of Q dash and then
into integrating factor plus c
dy
q dash
and
into integrating factor dy plus
yes.
c.
Okay, is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt anybody has the methodology that is not clear how to solve the problem? Anyone? So I'm going to start the problem. We have so many problems we have.
सर एक छोटा सा डाउट था
हाँ बताइए.
सर, मतलब जो हमारा सोल्यूशन है, जो हमारा फाइनल आंसर होगा, वो हमारा x इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर होगा कि हमें दोनों साइड पे इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा फाइनल आंसर के लिए?
नहीं, x को इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इधर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जैसे आपको बता दूं पहले पार्ट में, है ना. व्हाट इज योर जनरल सोल्यूशन? Solution is what? When you solve that equation, that should be equal to in terms of y. So you can write in terms of y or in the general form. So अगर मान लिया आपका इक्वेशन dy by dx के फॉर्म में है, आपका इक्वेशन dy by dx के फॉर्म में है यहाँ पे, तो आपने y से इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर इंटीग्रेशन के अंदर q ले लिया, आपने q यहाँ से ले लिया, उसको इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई किया, सो दैट इट बिकम्स द इंटीग्रेबल. आप इंटीग्रेट कर पाएंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं कर पाएंगे, है ना, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू dx. तो जो सोल्यूशन आया तो y इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर प्लस c, तो या तो आंसर ऐसे रहने दीजिए या y इन टर्म्स ऑफ x एंड c लिख लीजिए. दैट इज अनदर वे, बिकॉज y is your dependent variable here. So the answer will be what? The general solution will be independent variable y in terms of x. Similarly, in the case of if x is dependent variable, x in terms of y and c. You can write it otherwise. Otherwise, you keep it clear like that. You just integrate it and then you get the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the very simple question. I'm going to start, then little bit difficult question. So the question number one, solve. This is x plus 1 dy upon dx, and this is minus of y equal to e to power x, and then x plus 1 ka whole square. So the question is that, is it in linear form? Solution. Is it in linear form? Yes.
Yes, sir.
We can write
Yes, sir.
question, no issue. We can go for that. So simply we can write this equation. Let's check it. This dy by dx, then minus, and this should be y upon x plus 1. This is equal to e to power x. This x plus 1 will cancel out, so this will be x plus 1. This is equation number 1. Can you compare this y by dx? This is plus px equal to q, or py equal to q, sorry. So here, what is p? What is p? This is the minus 1 by x plus 1, and q is e to power x. Q is e to power x into 1 plus x, or x plus 1, right? This is in linear form. The equation 1 is in linear form, and linear differential equation is linear. You can write it linear differential equation is linear differential equation. So We have to find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? E to power integration of p dx. So e to power integration of, what is the p? What is p?
-1 by x
Minus
plus
1
1.
upon
So minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. So e to power minus of, what is the integration of x plus 1?
Log x plus 1.
Log,
X plus 1.
okay, log x plus 1. So we can write it e to power log x plus 1 to power minus 1. So what is the final value? 1 by x plus 1. Is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
So it is
Yes, sir.
integrating factor. Now then the required solution is what? We just multiply with the y into integrating factor. The formula is this, equal to integration of, and the formula is, what is the formula? What is the formula here? Q into integrating factor and then dx plus c, correct? So just I'm using here y into 1 by 1 plus x, and this is equal to integration. What is your q? Q is e to power x into 1 plus x, and then your integrating factor is 1 by 1 plus x, and then dx plus c. Now see, this integrating factor plays a role, and this, and so we can find the integration. So the value is what? Y upon 1 plus x equal to integration of e to power x is e to power x and then plus c. Either you write this answer, or you can write y equal to, or y equal to 1 plus x into e to power x plus c. This is again another answer. So this is also, let's check it. Yes, y by x plus 1 upon this equal to. Make it sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Anyone has a doubt, raise your hand, please. Anyone has a doubt, please raise your hand. No? Okay. So going to give another question. Question number 2. Solve x into x minus 1, x minus 1, x into x minus 1, dy upon dx minus x minus 2, y equal to x square 2x minus 1. X into x minus 1 dy by dx minus x minus 2 y x squared d2x minus 1. Okay, solve this question please. It's a good question. And today I will talk to the people Yes, anyone who has solved? 5, 10, 15. Aryaman up to 15. Okay. Today I will ask. Yeah, listen everybody. Who has solved? Okay, Neha ready. Okay, 1 minute. Neha, 1 minute, please. Today I will talk to Aryan Gupta, Ashish, Avni. I have talked. Gupta, Ashish, Avni, Ayush Kumar, and Ayush Sharma. Correct with me?
So my chance is over.
Yeah.
Avni.
Yeah, Aryan Gupta, Ashish, Avni, Ayush Kumar, and Ayush Sharma. So after the class, I will discuss, right?
Sir, you have talked. Sir, you have talked us.
Okay, that's why I'm asking. So the next is because of the shedding, Bandaru Animesh, Bhavya Gupta, Bishwajit, Chirag, and Dipanshu Joshi. They are here in the class.
Yes,
Bandaru
sir.
Animesh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And 3 people. Okay. Abhay Agarwal is there in the class. Abhay Agarwal is a new joining. Heman Chandak is there in the class. And Manshi Dharendra. Mansi is there in the class. No. Okay, fine. So now who will? Okay, so many. Shubham, Neha Reddy, Yashwardhan, and Shubham. Okay, Neha, because you have raised your hand first. So Neha, what is the answer?
So y into x minus 1 by x square is equal to 2x minus log x plus c.
Okay, y into x minus 1 upon x square, and this is equal to, this is 2x minus log x plus c. This is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shubham, is it correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Yashwardhan, any other answer is you have?
Yes, sir, I have different. So
What is
my
your
one is y h minus 1 upon h square equal to h square minus h plus c.
same thing, that is you are multiplying with the x square, na? I think. So only 3 people did completed this question. Only 3 people solved this question in the class. Mehak, have you got this
Sir,
answer?
so my answer is y into x minus 1 by x square is equal to 2x minus ln x plus c.
So that is the right answer, no? It is already written.
Okay.
Anyone? So I should ask, because only 4 people will solve this question in the class. I am not happy. So everybody has to give that. Just I want to ask. Rakshit Chauhan is there in the class. Rakshit.
Yes,
Chauhan.
sir, I'm still solving.
You are solving. You are solved.
Sir, solving.
How many days it will be? You will take?
Sir, just
How many
solving.
days? How many days you will take? Rijul Nanda.
Sir, I am having sign problem. I am getting plus log x.
Plus
I'm
log
just
x.
I'm checking where I have done sign problem.
Check it. Sabuj,
Yes, sir.
you are solving?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Okay. Satyamitra is there in the class. Satyamitra? No. Okay. Yogesh Malani. Yogesh Malani. Yogesh Malani is in the class. Only login. Zeel Tanna.
I'm in the class.
Yes, sir. I have got the answer.
You got the answer, Yogesh?
No, sir, I'm solving the question.
How much
I'm not
time?
able
How
to
much hour
calculate
you
in
take? Okay,
5
Yashika.
minutes.
Yashika Yadav. Yashika Yadav. Yashika is in the class. If not, I will remove from the class. Yashika, I called 4 times. So better to leave the class. Vrinda Kohli. Vrinda Kohli.
Yes, sir. I'm here. I got the answer.
Okay, so Yashika is not responding. Yeah, Vrinda. What is your answer? What is your
Sir,
answer?
I got the same answer that the other students got.
Okay, Urvi Dashmana,
Yes, sir.
you got the answer?
Yes, sir. I just got it.
You just got it. Okay, fine. So this is your answer. Anybody has the problem to solve? Otherwise, I will solve. Anyone just raise your hand?
Sir, I have a different answer.
Okay, let's say I try to solve this equation.
Okay.
Fine. I'm going to solve this question. Now see, very simple. The simple way that you can solve. Due to the video problem they have. Okay, come. Okay, the solution is, what is the solution? Because this equation is, now come to the solution part. So when you write dy by dx, then this will be equal to, this will be minus sign, minus, this is x minus 2 upon x into x minus 1 into y, and this is equal to finally this is the x square into 2x minus 1. So this will be equal to 2x. We can write it when you divide by x. So this will be x into 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1, right? So this is equation 1, where p is this part and q is this part. So this is the linear differential equation. So what is your what is the p? P is, this is minus x minus 2 upon x into x minus 1, and your q is 2x x into 2x minus 1, and you can take it at x square also, no issue, upon x minus 1, x minus 1. If you can take here
वो x square नहीं होगा?
यहाँ पे ये x भी तो आएगा ना, ये वाला x आएगा तो कैंसिल करेगा ना इसको। यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर अगर है तो यहाँ पे x भी तो होगा। अगर x स्क्वायर रखते हैं तो x यहाँ पर रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So what is your integrating factor? Integrating factor is e to power. This is your minus sign of integration of x minus 2 upon x into x minus 1 dx, right? So you do it right. Find this partial fraction. I said partial fraction is very important. So what is your partial fraction finally with the sum? With taking with the minus sign, this will be 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by x dx.
2
Are
by
you getting
x.
this?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Correct.
Because earlier it is minus sign here and it is plus and minus sign. So when take it positive here, this will be minus, this is plus. So this will be equal to e to power log of x minus 1 minus e to minus 2 into log x, right? 2 into log x. So this is finally e to power log of 1 upon or minus x square. So this is your integrating factor. The solution is what? This is y into x minus 1 upon x square, and this will be equal to integration of q, and the q is what? Q is your x square 2x minus 1 upon x into x minus 1 Integrating factor is x minus 1 upon x square, and then dx, and then plus c, right? Then plus c. Now see, this x square will cancel, this will be cancelled, so you are getting integration of 2x minus 1 upon x, and then dx, and then plus c. So integration of this is 2, and then minus 1 by x, and then dx, and then plus c. So this is equal to 2x minus log x, and then plus c. Are you getting this answer now? Make it sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm giving you the so many questions for the practice also, and for the good question for that. Next time I'll also ask you. Write the question. Question number 3. Solve. This is 2 into dy by dx. This is equal to y upon x. It is a very selected question. Y square upon x square. Question number 4. X cube plus xy to power 4 dx plus 2y cube dy equal to 0. This is the good question, and it make you very confusing when you go for the exact and non-exact form also. X cube xy to power 4 dx plus 2y cube dy equal to 0. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, okay, if dy by d, okay, question number 5 is x cube y cube minus xy dx. X cube y cube minus xy dx equal to dy. Very simple question, but it make it something different. Then come to question number 6, and this is x plus 1 dy by dx minus 2y equal to x plus 1 to power 4. Then there is a more question. Okay. Question number 4. Then question number 7. 1 minus x square. Before that I have to 72 attendance. 1 minus x square y dash plus 2xy equal to x into square root of 1 minus x square. One question. Then question number 8. dy by dx equal to y tan x minus 2 sin x. 2 sin x. Then question number okay, some special questions I will solve.
Can you go a little bit up writing the question, sir?
Okay. Question number 9. dy by dx plus 2xy equal to 2e to power minus x square. Question number 10. X cos x dy by dx plus y into x sin x plus cos x equal to 1. Enough.
सर ये एक हफ्ते का
नहीं कल के लिए है ओनली.
ओके सर.
पहले कौन सा? Who is asking? Who is asking?
Sir, I had just a doubt.
Okay, Aditya Sharma. Now, you should try this, solve the question. This is for the practice. Let's see how many questions you are trying to solve. And the next class I will continue, because I will also take a case of dx by dy. Fine. Yeah, Aditya. Be comfortable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Should I stop here? Ayush Kumar, you want to ask anything else? You have raised your question hand. Ayush Kumar. Okay.
No,
No.
no, sir, by mistake.
So any doubt anybody has? Any doubt? Anything else you want to ask?
So what is there in there x cos x, right, in question number 10?
Question number x cos x dy by dx plus y into x sin x plus cos x equal to 1.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Fine. So thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Post to team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So please wait.
Thank you, sir.
5 names that I have
Bye,
called.
sir.
Please wait. 5 names that I have called. 5 names. Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
$15 people are there. Only 5 people I need in the class. This is the student should be Bandaru Animesh, Bhavya, Vishwajit, Chirag, and Dipanshu.
Sir, you said my name also, Ashish.
So Aksh, why you are in the class? Ashish, why you are in the class?
You just now called my
Bhavya,
name also.
you are in the class. Devyani, why you are in the class?
Sir, you just call my name also, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you hear me? Hello.
Ashish, what is the issue?
Can you hear me, sir? Hello.
Yeah, Ashish, please.
Yeah, you call my name also, sir.
No, Ashish, no. Only this name only. Bandaru Animesh, Bhavya, Vishwajit, Chirag, and Dipanshu. Only they should be remain in the class.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Nipun Anand, why you are in the class? Rohan Khanna, why you are in the class? Vidit, why you are in the class? With Subek, why you are in the class? Okay, Bhavya, Vishwajit, Chirag, Dipanshu, and this guy, he's not there in the class. Bandaru Animesh is not here. Please get on your camera, everybody. Hello, Vishwajit, how are you? Hello, Chirag, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Dipanshu. Bhavya Gupta. Dipanshu is there. Hello, Bhavya.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Morning, sir.
Fine, sir.
All good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dipanshu, your camera is not on. Dipanshu Joshi. Yeah. Hello, nice to see you, Dipanshu.
Yes, sir. Nice to
So
meet
how
you.
are you, everybody? So your Diwali festival you have celebrated, na? It's a big Diwali.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
So now is the time to for your study after the Diwali, because in the campus, when you came in the campus, in the previous classes, same as that previous year also. After the Diwali, there is a more enthusiasm in the to study, right? So be serious in the class. So any doubt, any problem in the subject, other subjects, anything else related to IT or DMS or anything else? Any or that is not clear, any issues related to that anybody has can share me. You feel comfortable now, everybody?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
No issue, no any problem. Only there is only gap that you are online. Only this is only the one issue. Otherwise, everything is going good.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Every
sir.
class is going on time. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
take care of your attendance also. Fine, because attendance is also important. So must be present in the class on time, right? And whatever the teacher taught in the class, you try to write first, and also you download the videos. And I've already uploaded my lectures, all lectures, four lectures, PPT that I have already uploaded. All right, and you try to write the things that what the teacher are teaching on the online, right? Try to write. Don't go on the WhatsApp. You just log in and go onto the WhatsApp. That is not the class. Fine. And in my class, especially randomly, I can ask the question. So you never escape from my hunting attitude, you know.
Yes, sir.
So take care, and nice to see everybody. Fine, be safe, and thank you everybody.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, yeah, you post all the recordings on the in the MS Teams file. It will get deleted after some days. I have heard.
After 20 days, it will be deleted.
So what should we do then?
So you have to download and save in your desktop or a laptop.
I would save it in the OneDrive which was given by the college itself. It has.
PPT is there also. PPT is there. That's why I'm saying write the things in every class, and same time, same day, you download all the videos, whatever the teacher taught in the class, and keep it in your folder, subject folder. It should be better.
Actually, the college has given us OneDrive link, so which has around 5 TB or 1 TB space, so we can.
Yeah. It's a cloud. It is on cloud.
Yeah.
It is on cloud. And actually, I try to share this on Team. My that lecture, that is what is that on whiteboard, but it is unable to save on MS Team. I'm trying to export it into the Team, but not there. So I'm going to today. I'm going to save in the cloud, so that it should be in the record, and anytime you can. I will send it in the group that you can just watch. You can just look all these side. And the whiteboard, that what I taught, what I've written, what are the questions I've given, just like a class notes. So I will say I'm saving in my cloud, right? OneDrive.
You can't share the whiteboard link in the chats nowadays.
Yeah, because it is a problem of the MS Team. It is not doing that one.
Yes, sir.
No, what's the problem that because every time I'm trying every day just after the class, but due to some problem, that's why I'm saving it into the my OneDrive.
Then you can share us the link and we can access.
Yeah. I will send the links to that. In that folder I have. Fine.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, thank you.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.